What if the most powerful medicine wasn't in your pharmacy, but sitting in your fruit bowl? Millions of Americans spend billions on medications every year, yet research shows certain fruits contain nutrients that may help support your heart, brain, immune system, and overall health. But here's the catch: eating the wrong fruit, or too much of it, can work against you. Stay until the end because fruit number 7 might surprise you. Can food really be medicine? Doctors don't prescribe apples instead of antibiotics, and fruit isn't a cure for disease. But a healthy diet rich in fruit can lower the risk of many chronic illnesses. Fruits provide fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that help your body repair itself every day. Blueberries, brain protection? Blueberries are often called nature's brain food. They're packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Studies suggest regular blueberry consumption may support memory and healthy aging. Supports brain health? Apples, heart's best friend? An apple a day won't replace your doctor, but it can help support heart health. Apples contain soluble fiber that may help lower LDL, often called bad cholesterol. They also promote healthy digestion and help keep you feeling full. Oranges, immune booster? Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, one of the nutrients your immune system depends on. They also help your body absorb iron and support healthy skin by promoting collagen production. Bananas, energy and blood pressure? Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy muscle and nerve function. That's why athletes often grab a banana before or after workouts. Avocados, healthy fats? Technically a fruit, avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain fiber and potassium, making them one of the most nutritious foods you can add to your meals. Pomegranates, powerful antioxidants? Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Research suggests they may support heart health and help reduce inflammation when included as part of a healthy diet. The biggest mistake? Here's the mistake millions make: they drink fruit instead of eating it. Whole fruits contain fiber that slows sugar absorption and helps you feel full. Fruit juice often contains far less fiber and can make it easier to consume more sugar than intended. Whole fruit juice? Best daily habit? Instead of relying on just one superfruit, aim for a variety of colors throughout the week. Different fruits provide different nutrients, and together they help support overall health. If you have diabetes, kidney disease, or another medical condition, talk with your healthcare provider about the fruits that are best for you. Your fruit may not replace medicine, but it can become one of the smartest tools for protecting your health. Which fruit do you eat every day? Let us know in the comments. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based health tips every week. Red Apple. Your health starts with better choices. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, bell, subscribe. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or treatment.